So notice whenever we're working on this step around, we're working on him turning to the left. We're just going to the left again, to the left again. We're gonna go forward, see if he turns at a trot. Good boy. Bump with the calf, bump with the calf. He moves off of it. Look to my left, turn left. Look to my left, turn left. Really trying to use as little rein as possible. Trying to use my seat and where I'm looking to really guide him. Oh. Good boy. The next thing we're gonna do is same thing to the right. Look where we're going. Look to the right. Bump with my calf, bump with my calf. There we go. Good job, buddy.